Okay, so this morning I'm going to show you how to make a custom brochure in InTouch that you can email out to your clients and that you can share on social media. And you can do it even if you don't have the pro version. I'm going to go to InTouch and I'm going to open up the application. My dashboard opens up. I'll go up here to marketing, and then I'm going to go to Marketing Center, and I'm going to go down to the section that is email and video marketing, and then I'm just going to pick one of the designs. So let's just say I wanted to do maybe I'll choose this one, your purchase anniversary. If I wanted to replace this with something else, I'm going to do personalize. And then if it were me, I would be sharing these on social media, showing that we offer the television exposure. So you can actually click on this one, and I can go over here to YouTube. And I'm going to search for At Home in Houston. I've already searched for it so many times it comes up. And I'll pick the latest TV show, which was this last Sunday, and I'm going to click on it.
At Home in Houston.
And then I'm just going to click share. I'm going to copy this URL right here. And then I'm going to go back into Market Leader, and right here, if you see where this picture is, I'm going to go right up here. Do you see where I'm hovering over and it says insert video? So I'll insert the video. It'll put a place marker here for it. I'm going to copy it into here and hit submit. Comes in pretty small, but I can actually make it much bigger. And then down here I can put anything else, I could put, helping you sell your home was a great pleasure. Maybe you have one featured on here, and you could put something about your clients or a little note in here and send it to them. You could also just use this to try to get listings. And maybe here you could put, did you know that we, offer television exposure to our listings? And then down here you could actually maybe add in a photo of all the other stuff that we do and that we have in our listing concierge packet. And then after that, all you'd really have to do is hit save, and you can name it anything you want. So I'm just going to name it like listing C number 3, so C will stand as listing concierge for me. Then I'm just going to hit save and exit, and then it comes up this way. I can do publish to web and share, and it makes its own URL right here. If I right click and hit go to, it will start to load up that page. But I can also go over here and do compose email, and I can send it out to complete groups. Maybe this is my new listing and I have a video and I want to send it out to all the local real estate agents. I can also send it out to people who live in a certain area that are homeowners, like I showed you guys yesterday that when I got it off of Cole Realty Resource, and I showed you how they were homeowners in a certain zip code, and we did some other we actually sorted them with a few other criteria. So you can do that. I could go up here, and when I click to, I can either pick a group or I can just pick contacts. And I mean, you can add a whole group in at one time and send it to 1,000 people. So it's pretty cool. And so that's how I would be basically ready to send this one to anything. I just have to remember to save that, take that one out, and put in something else. And then over here now you see it's loaded and it's ready for me to share on any social media site. All I have to do is copy this link. I can share it on InTouch. I can share it. I can share it on Facebook business page. I can, Instagram. I can share it on any of these, and this is limitless because I can, edit this, change the color of the font, everything. So I hope this helps. I told you yesterday that I would get you one, And I did. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm about to upload it to YouTube. Thanks.